Now we will show you how to disassemble the shutter release button on A6xxx Salted Line camera housing to clean it and service it from all the debris. We will begin by disassembling this part. Next step is to open the camera housing. And remove the C-shape clip from the inside. For that you will need a small set of tools where you can use flathead screwdrivers to remove the C-shape clip. Set it aside. Now we can remove the shutter release button. And inside you will see one more C-shaped clip, which also has to be removed the same way as you removed the first one. Now we can proceed to button disassembly. You can take out the button and all what's inside here. Inside you will find a lot of debris such as sand or salt particles, so we need to take it all out and clean it. For cleaning, you can use just regular tissue or cotton swabs. Make a little shape which will resemble the button. Put it inside and start cleaning the inside of the button space. As we can see, there's a lot of dirt in there. Repeat this process a few times until there's no dirt on the inside of the button space. As we can see now, it's a lot cleaner inside, and we can proceed to the actual button for cleaning. Take the O-ring and wipe it really good. Make sure there's no sand or any other particles. And then we set it aside. Next part is the spring mechanism that stops the spring from going all the way through the button place. See how much dirt there was? There is a lot. So that's why a regular housing maintenance is needed. Okay, now we are ready to reassemble everything back, and we will begin by applying silicone grease to the O-ring. Then we place the O-ring back inside, and we can use the button to guide it properly. Next step, you can put the spring back and also put the spring stopper in place, so it should look like this. And this whole thing we place it back into the camera housing. Now the operation is a lot smoother. Then we will proceed to putting the C-shape clips back into place. Preferably if your screwdriver is magnetized, it will help you to avoid the C-shape clips being lost inside the housing. Once we place it inside, you have to push on the C-shape clip until you hear a click. That means it's in place. Now it's in place. Next we will install the actual shutter release mechanism back, onto which we will place the other C-shape clip. To secure it in place, placing the C-shape clip back and also pressing it until we hear a click. Now it is all secured. And we can place the back panel on. And reinstall this part back here.